Hi everyone, my name is Faizan Amjed. Today I'm going to show you how we can remove any video background in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Now first go to runwayml.com. Now the problem is if you are using the free account of RunwayML, then you can't really export the video above 720p. So if you want to export your video to 1080p, you have to buy credits, but I'm going to show you a trick to use the free version of RunwayML to remove any video background. First of all, go to the all tools. Now if you scroll down, as you can see, we have this extract depth map AI tool. You can click on it and now we can upload any video here. Now I'm going to select this video, double click, or you can upload your video right here. Now once you upload your video, you can click on this process button and as you can see, we have this depth map. Now we can export this depth map. Don't worry, the resolution won't affect your background removal process. So uncheck include audio and export this depth map. Now once you created your depth map, go to the asset and go to private. Open your depth map and download your depth map right here. Now we can close Runway ML. Now import your video and import your depth map in DaVinci Resolve timeline. Select these two, right click and create a new Fusion clip. Now go to the Fusion page. Now as you can see, this is the final output. If I select media in 2, press 1 on the keyboard, this is the depth map. If I select media in 1, press 2 on the keyboard, this is our original footage. I'm going to select my background, press backspace to delete the background. Select these two merge node, press backspace to delete the merge node as well. Connect media in 1 to media out 1. Select media out, press 2 on the keyboard. So this is going to be the final output. Now simply connect the media in 2 to media in 1. Now as you can see, we can't really remove the background by default. So we have to select media in 1, go to the settings. In channel, we have to change the channel from alpha to luminance and check this out. Now by default, we got this result. So to improve the result, we can drag this brightness and contrast node. Press shift, we can connect this between these two nodes. Select the brightness and contrast. Press 1 on the keyboard so we can see the output of brightness and contrast right here. Now we can improve the background removal process. As you can see, we have to brighten the subject and we have to make the background darker or pure black. So we can increase the contrast, we can increase the gamma, lower the lift, increase the gain, lower the lift, increase the gain, lower the lift, and check this out. Now if I change this to single screen, as you can see, the background is completely removed. So if I play my video, check out the final output. Now if we go to the edit page, we can import any background behind this video and now check out the result. So this is how we can remove any video background in the free version of DaVinci Resolve.